In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about list methods, so let's get started. I'm going to write a list of numbers, so n, then the square brackets, so 5, 3, 6, 9, 2, and then 7. Then I'm going to do an n, and then a dot. And then when you put the dot there, there's a bunch of these methods that you can use for lists. The first one I'm going to talk about is append. The append method basically just adds a number onto the end of your list. So if I put brackets there, and I want to add the number 1 on the next line, I write print, then n. So if I run it, it'll add the 1 on the end. Now, what if you want to add a number in the middle of your list? Then you would use the insert. For the insert, the first number has to be an index, as it says here, and I want to put the number in the index 2, so I'll write 2, then a comma, and then the next part is what number you want in that index. So I want the number 8, so then I'll put that in there, and when I run, it puts the number 8 in the second index. What if you want to take out a number? Then you would write remove, and then you write the number you'd like to remove. So I don't like the number 2 here, so I'll take that out. And it's not there anymore.